Taxes. Taxes are money that people pay to the government. This money helps pay for roads, schools, hospitals, and public services. Everyone uses these services, so taxes are important for society. Most adults pay income tax. This tax comes from their salary. When people buy things, they also pay sales tax. These small amounts add up and help the country run. Some people don't like taxes because they reduce take-home money. However, taxes help keep communities safe and organized. Without taxes, many services would not exist. Governments decide how taxes are used. People vote for leaders who make these choices. This helps citizens feel involved and responsible. Understanding taxes helps people plan their finances. It shows them where their money goes and why it matters.